folks, Ethan Stieber here with Stieber Weather Forecasting here for another week-long forecast update as we go through this last full week of August. It's hard to believe we've already gotten this far. So, not a whole lot to talk about this week. We're going to talk about a lot of heat coming into our area this week, moisture or lack thereof, and then we're going to take a look at some of the longer range outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center and see when this heat's going to look like it's going to break. So, right now what I've got is a national forecast image pulled up. Basically, you can see this is for tonight around 1 a.m. You can see this is the remnants of Tropical Storm Hillary, which will be coming into Southern California. But really the big story this week is this big dome of high pressure, which is located right over the central U.S., which is causing all this moisture to just kind of come up and around into Canada and then back down to the far east over, say, northern Wisconsin, Michigan, and Ohio. So that's going to keep us high and dry for rainfall this week. Really not looking at much in the way of precipitation. We can see this on future radar. I'm just going to start this at 1 a.m. This tomorrow morning, and I'm just going to let it play. You can see there's not a lot of rain forecast in the area. Again, now we're going through Tuesday afternoon into now Wednesday morning. You can see not a lot of rain. The best chance of rain that we could see, and I mean very, very potentially, is the cold front that will be coming through the area Friday afternoon and evening, really into the day on Saturday. Could spark a hit or miss shower storm, but that's really not likely. So looks to stay dry for this entire week. It's going to be really hot this entire week. I can pull up forecast high temperatures for this week, and you see it's going to be a warm one. If we go to, if we look at Monday high temperatures, we look at lower 90s. By the time we get to Tuesday, we're into the mid to upper 90s across the area. As we move into Wednesday, it is even warmer. Now, I think this forecast model is running just a little warm. You can see I wouldn't be surprised if we push 100 on Wednesday. We will definitely get there by Thursday. I think this model overdoes it a little bit. 107, I think, is a little excessive for most of the area. I think we'll be somewhere around that 100-degree mark. I just don't think it's going to get that high. By Friday, temperatures are still in the mid to upper 90s as we go throughout the day. But as you see there, some of those cooler temperatures start making their way into the area. By the time we get into the day on Sunday, we still have to deal with some warmer temperatures. Again, I think this model overdoes it. I think the cooler air is going to start coming in a little bit earlier than that. But by Sunday morning, looking at low temperatures around 60 degrees, so we're going to get back into that comfortable pattern. And everything will, hopefully after this week, up until about Thursday, we'll see that stretch of weather really go, stretch of hot weather really go away. One other thing I wanted to point out is the hazards right now, current National Weather Service hazards. You can see all of the area is under an excessive heat warning. This is until Thursday, I believe. And again, as I just showed you, the temperatures agree with that. It's going to be quite warm, so make sure you stay safe if you are outside this week. Football practices, any other sports practices, band practices that are outside, it's going to be a hot one. So stay hydrated. Put that sunscreen on often if you can. Get indoors as much as possible. As we look long term now, you can see this is the Climate Prediction Center 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. This is Saturday, August 26th to Wednesday, August 30th. You can see cooler weather will start filtering into the area. You can see we're slightly below average on temperatures, which is a great sign. 8 to 14 day outlook continues that pattern. We're near normal to maybe slightly below normal, which is going to be great. We still stay pretty dry though on the 6 to 10 day precip outlook. We're still we're right in the bullseye for the significantly below normal precip for that time frame, and the 8 to 14 day we still stay below normal as we go into the first part of September. So after this week, it looks to temperatures really look to slacken off to more seasonable seasonable temperatures, rather. Temperatures look to back down to more seasonable levels, but we still stay dry. So for your 7-day forecast, you can see it's going to be a warm one, folks. Sunny for the entirety of the week. You can see Thursday, I would not be surprised if Wednesday or Thursday we do hit that 100-degree mark. Also notice low temperatures are going to be pretty uncomfortable. Humidity is going to be way up. Lows Wednesday and Thursday may not break the 80-degree mark, but if you look to next weekend, hope is on the horizon. Temperatures do look to be more seasonable as we go into next weekend. And one more thing, as we close this video out, a graphic that I will put out towards the end of the week, I'm going to start putting together Friday Night Lights forecast, so this will be for the 7 p.m. kickoff every day. Right now, as you can see, sunny skies, high of around 91, or temperature of around 91 as we start this first week of IHSA football. So good luck to all the teams competing this week, and it's going to be a warm one, so make sure you stay safe for any outdoor activities you have planned this week.